On this episode, we are going to start working on rebuilding this for 2022. As you can see, Abbie has all the graphics off, on most of the graphics off the car. So, as it says in the previous episode, should we change the colour? Should we keep the colour? Still let me know. Still unsure. But yeah, we do need to hopefully get my brother David to run the buffer over this and just clean off all the residue from the glue and stuff from the old stickers. But yeah, I need to get this back into the shed now, and the E46 M3 engine, the S54, I know when I bought this car off Harriker, they had the bearings done. They done the bearings on the bolts in the bottom end, but that's 2 years ago now, and I've got 2 years solid driving out of the car, never any trouble. So we're going to do the bearings and the bolts again. We will be heading to Dooley Fabrication, and we're going to do that. But yeah, just to keep it safe. Look, let me know in the comments, should I be changing them? Should I leave them? Do let me know. But I just feel that changing the bearings and the bolts in it will keep the engine going good for hopefully another 2 years, and then maybe put a big snail on the side of it. Don't know, would love to do it this year, really would love to do it this year. But yeah, last year was a very expensive year, and I think we'll stick NA for now. Just have the car back in the shed, and just looking at my kit, it is pretty well damaged. Yeah, so we have some fiberglass wings there and some quarter pounds that we got off TH Components, off Paulius. He was doing a bit of a clearance sale, so Paulius done me a good deal. I got these. I don't know if I'm going to use them on the car. We may keep them for Abbie's car, and as I says, we're working with Gary Short on his new kits, so don't know, but we have spares. I will try them on, see what they look like, but I don't know. Do you like the kit that's on the car? Or I might try these on and let you guys decide. But as I says, we're working with Gary Short on some new fiberglass, because these are very tired. They have been on the car a long time. So right, I need to go and I need to check the code on the engine. We believe that the engine is a 02 S54. The reason being is Mark and for Car Parts, he's ordering the bearings, so we need to be sure that this is a 02 engine. So because if it's anything more, we ordered the bearings, they're wrong, the engine's ripped, we need to get the job done, so that could slow us up. So we just need to confirm that. So I just need to get in under the car, because I can't just see the code on the side of the block looking down. So let's get in under it and see what year the engine is in this car. Hold for a second. Niall Goes Drifting is very close to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we worked really hard last year on the YouTube, and we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell, and hopefully this year we can push over 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe, and I'll work on doing a little bit of a giveaway when we hit that 1,000 subscribers. We have the TH Components over fenders in the rear for the E46 four-door, and fitting wise they're pretty good, they're very good, but we have a problem. It is touching the tyre there, and I don't know if my spacers at one is a little bit bigger than the other. I don't know, or my camber is a little bit gone crazy. But yeah, that is a problem. So good news for Abbie Gertie is that she will be getting the TH Components kit, well, the front and or the back on her car for sure. My car is just way too wide, as you can see in here. That is the size of my spacer, so there's a massive spacer on this. Look, we could change them. We could change the spacers to suit the kit, of course we could, but I don't really want messing with the whole, what would you call it, geometry of the car. So yeah, congratulations Abbie, you've got rear fenders. So I'm just going to try on the front wings just to see if the front wings will work on my car, and then if they don't, then Abbie will be getting the whole wide body kit for her car. Yeah, right, let's try the front ones on. So that is all the Rocket Bunny kit removed from the car. Just got to take off a couple of walls here, remove the wing, and then we can try on the front fenders to see if they will be wide enough. Hopefully they will be wide enough. Yeah, there's not really much in them wings now, to be honest. I don't think there will be much difference in weight in the wings, and the front wings is metal and front wings fiberglass. I don't think there'll be much of a difference. But yeah, I think the most of the weight is going to be in this and in the boot lid in the back as well. There'll be a lot of weight in that. So I do know that Gary is working on making the E46 boot lid with the CSL spoiler. Actually, I think he's going to use this boot lid to make a mold. So actually, I need to talk to him about that. And yeah, there's awful weight in the back boot lid and in the bonnet. Right, I'll hook the wings off and we'll try on the new fiberglass ones and see what they look like. Here's the front wings, just tried on. Yeah, it's a little bit of lining up to be done, and I'd say there would definitely need to be a lot of trimming done there as well. I don't know if it's just I don't think the wings are wide enough for the width of the car and wheels and everything. So I think what we will do is I think we should slap this whole kit onto Abbie's car. I think it'd be an unbelievable kit. Abbie will have to get some spacers for the rear of her car, but yeah, wasn't overly dear. A bit of a clearance sale by TH Components, so just not the look that I'm looking for in my car. I don't know, I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. Do you like it, do you not? But I don't know, I'm looking for wider. But yeah, I think we should get this kit on to Abbie's car. I think Abbie's car will be looking sweet. So Abbie's car, yeah, it's been a long time since it's been on the channel. Flat wheels on it, but yeah, Abbie messaged me last night, and there's a certain day happening at the end of February in Eglinton, and Abbie messaged me about it, and yeah, we're going to get the 2.5 engine into this, and yeah, we're going to get the kit on it, we're going to do the whole job on it, and we're going to have Abbie out in Eglinton for this event. If you follow Abbie on social media, she'll probably keep you updated. But yeah, we're going to have a busy month at this car. Basically, engine, kit, the whole lot, and get her out for our very first day in Eglinton, get some seat time, and yeah, hopefully she can gel to it fairly quick. But as it says, yeah, stay tuned to this. There's going to be a lot of videos coming up on this, and hopefully myself and Jack doesn't know yet, but when Jack comes down, myself and Jack will have a couple of busy evenings and try and get this car up and running with the 2.5 engine, with the wide arch kit, wide body kit in it, the whole lot. So it will be looking pretty cool, but it's going to be a busy month. But hopefully Abbie can tell it fairly quick, and yeah, stay tuned. Them episodes will be coming up very soon, and yeah, something to look forward to. That's the car all stripped down. So yeah, we're going to talk to Gary Short, get a kit developed that will fit this car 100% for basically wide ass chassis. Whole front stripped down, bumpers all off, wings, it's all stripped down. So that's basically what I'm doing for this evening, and then we will be going to do the fabrication. We need to redo the exhaust in it because my trailer, the car doesn't look low, but getting up my trailer does be a bit of a challenge, so it has pulled the exhaust brackets and stuff like that, so that all needs to be tightened up. And we need to weld the bash bar from Tully Rowan, it's cracked there, get all these painted back up again. And then, as it says about the colour, you're going to tell me in the comments what I should do, but then we need to go to Sign Riley Crash Repairs. I'd say the over fenders that were developed for this, I'd say it'll do away with all that damage, so we won't need to fix that. We'll just hop on a whole new back on it and just get it painted up. But yeah, that is the start of 2022, ripping again. It has been a long time since we've been at this car, so it's time to give it some love, tender love and care, and get it ready to go for this year. That's it for this episode. We're back at the shed, we're back working on the car. It feels like ages since I've been working on cars, and it's kind of hard to get back into the swing of it, but we're getting there. We have the M3 stripped down now, completely stripped down, and basically work on getting a nice wide stancy kit for it, and we'll get on to Gary Short and see can we get a wide stancy kit made for it. And then next episode then we'll be going to do the fabrication and getting the exhaust fixed in it and the bearings in the engine, and just a quick like a total overhaul in the car, check everything, make sure everything's right. Don't know, may drop the subframe, do some bushings, I don't know, we'll see when we get up in the lift and check it all, see what they're like. We may do that as well, but loads of plans. But look, that's all for this evening. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I think we're in a little bit of a battle with Garage 36 in England. They are coming up on 1,000 subscribers, and so am I. So if you can please press the subscribe button, and hopefully we can win this one. See you all soon.